Thank you for such an exciting launch week for the Nayak Stance camera strap. We're so happy that so many of you have purchased the product, and we're hearing great reviews on how the product works. However, we have had a couple posts that have asked, how exactly do you fit the product and how do you adjust it so it works correctly? Amanda and I are here today to do a video to show you exactly what the process is once you receive the package in the mail.
So once you receive the Stance camera strap in the mail, it's going to come in this bag, and inside the bag are two little triangle hooks. These hooks go on the sides of your camera. You may need them or you may not need them. It's to make sure that the hooks on the camera strap fit your camera, so be sure to check for those in the bag because they will be in there. And so once you get your strap, you just take it out and then you can just put it on. And then you're going to attach the camera to both sides of your strap.
Once you put the strap on, you want to make sure that you place the leather piece with Nayak facing up in the middle of your back, basically right between your shoulder blades. What that is going to do again is posturally help you pull your shoulder blades back.
And the camera attaches to both sides, maybe. Anyway, and once it's on, it's a little bit short, so you're going to want to adjust the sliders. You have four sliders, and you're going to have two in the front and two on the sides, and you're going to adjust those to get your perfect fit. And so you can just slide them up or down. You're going to want the camera to sit a little bit lower than your belly area. It sits kind of low, and the purpose of that is so that you can pick your camera up and maneuver it in any direction that you want to. Make sure your sliders are even on both sides so that when you pick your camera up you can move it and it's all set, and that's it.
Thank you very much for all the posts and email comments you have sent us. Please send us more questions or comments as you use this product.
And don't forget to join our community at NayakExchange.com.
Thank you.